Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make a cabbage soup. Okay. Okay. So this and then the tomatoes, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, pork cubes, water, and then carrots, garlic, white onions, spring onions, and then the pork. Okay. To start, we're gonna salt the garlic. Okay. Mmm. Smells good. Okay, so the garlic and then the onions. And then the carrots. Tomatoes. I did not see the tomatoes, guys. So supposed to be the tomatoes first before the carrots. But it's okay. It's still okay. And then we're gonna add a soy sauce. And then black pepper. Little more soy sauce. And then we're gonna add water. And then the pork cubes, guys. Okay. The pork cubes so that it smells or it's very tasty, and then we just wait until the okay, because that's a soup, so we'll wait until the tomatoes will become a pulpy. Okay. Okay, and let's wait. So it's time to add the cabbage. Okay, guys, so we're gonna add the cabbage. Because this is a cabbage soup. And then, guys, the carrots, I take it out so that it will not become soft. It's still crunchy. Okay, so next, I'm going to add the meat. Okay, and then let's have a taste if we need salt. Try to see if it's already okay. That's, and then the onions. Okay, guys, so that's our cabbage soup. So this is the cabbage soup, guys. It's very yummy and healthy. It's good for the kids. Okay? And it's good for our body. Okay, guys? Our cabbage soup. Okay, it's very yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. Okay, to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.